This is SoCal Maico. We specialize in everything Maico. Parts, restoration services, engine rebuilding, suspension. We are located in Ventura, right on the coast, halfway between Malibu and Santa Barbara in California, the sweet spot of California. I used to race the Maicos back in the 70s, and I've always enjoyed them, but I've always been a car racer. So I drifted from cars into motorcycles, back into cars, back into motorcycles. Found a niche market here with these bikes where I could fill a need and start a small business that has grown and grown and grown and grown. I never imagined that SoCal Maico would become one of the premier places to be able to buy Maico parts in the country or around the world. I ship stuff all over the world for Maico. And with the addition of the vapor blast machine, it just opened even more doors for us. You strive to try and make it as good as you can make it, and was just not satisfied with glass beading, which had a dull finish and embedded itself into the materials. Needed to make a change, and that's where I learned about vapor blasting, contacted Vapor Honing Technologies, and everything changed from that point on. We sell a lot of used parts for Maicos. By vapor blasting the parts and making them look brand new, we get more money for the parts. The customer is happier. It just benefits us all the way around. And we've expanded to this point now where we're looking at getting more machines because our demand is getting more and more and more to do the vapor blast services on motorcycles and other products that aren't Maico. The cost savings is in time, and time is money, and now we can do things that triple and quadruple the quality of the product. This is where it starts from. Looking like this, we end up here. Our customers are absolutely thrilled at how things come out. Can't do this without a vapor hone machine. An example here is, this is what it looks like. This is if you just glass bead it, this is what it looks like when it's vapor blasted. Many of our customers race the bikes, so these are out in conditions where there's mud, dirt, debris. They're race bikes. When you glass bead, it leaves some material porous and it'll stain. And once it stains, it's very difficult to get clean again. Vapor blasting not only brightens the entire material, it helps seal it. It's easy to clean and maintains this. Before, we had concerns about doing the inside of engine cases because glass bead would embed itself into it. And then once the engine got hot from racing and that kind of stuff, some of the glass bead would release, come down inside the transmission. Not a good thing. You know, it just caused wear. This, we don't have that problem. Here's a 1973 engine that when it's together will look absolutely brand spanking new. The vapor blast machine takes up no more room than my glass bead unit, but I do a lot more vapor blasting than I do glass beading. It's quieter. There's so many more pluses to it that we may not have enough time for me to explain all this stuff. You're just going to have to find out and see it for yourself, or don't hesitate to give me a call. I'll tell you. The end result is absolutely stunning.